Today we're diving into NeuronWriter, an AI-powered SEO writing tool that's been generating buzz. But does it really deliver on its promises, or is it just another overhyped product? Let's find out what it's really like to use. NeuronWriter aims to help writers and marketers create SEO-optimized content quickly and efficiently. At its core, the tool uses AI to analyze top-performing articles in your niche, pulling insights on keywords, structure, and readability. This means you can start with a solid foundation, which is particularly useful for those who may not have a deep understanding of SEO. The user interface is clean and intuitive, making it accessible for beginners while still offering advanced features for seasoned pros. You can generate outlines, optimize existing content, and even get suggestions for related keywords. However, some users might find the learning curve a bit steep initially, especially if they're not familiar with SEO concepts. One thing that stands out is the integration of real-time data, which helps you refine your content as you write. But I did notice that some features felt a bit limited, and it would be great to see more detailed analytics on content performance. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, NeuronWriter offers a powerful way to streamline your writing process and boost your SEO efforts. The AI-driven suggestions can save you time and help you focus on what really matters, creating quality content. However, there are a few drawbacks. Some users have reported frustrations with the pricing model, which can feel a bit steep for what you get, especially for small businesses or solo creators. Additionally, the lack of comprehensive customer support options can leave users feeling a bit stranded when they have questions. And while the tool is fantastic for SEO, it may not suit everyone, especially those who prefer a more hands-on approach to content creation. For some, the reliance on AI may feel like a crutch rather than a helpful tool. In conclusion, NeuronWriter is a solid choice for those looking to enhance their SEO writing process, especially if you're willing to invest in its capabilities. However, if you're a casual user or prefer more personalized support, you might want to explore other options. Overall, it's worth trying if SEO is a priority for you.